Most desks and facilities are not designed for pandemics. This is because such equipment does not have features that promote boundaries and social distancing practices. As these new safety standards come to light, facilities need to be upgraded to protect employees and customers from bacteria and viruses. A solution for these challenges is to install Larson Electronics safety dividers and sneeze guards on tables, desks, and cubicles around busy areas. These heavy-duty guards are recommended for the following locations: offices, restaurants and bars, retail establishments, hospitals, manufacturing and processing, schools, and lobbies. The transparent dividers are made out of 1/4 inch thick food-safe PETG, which is stronger than acrylic. Tools are not required for assembly, making setup quick and seamless. Individuals can choose from a wide range of dividers to suit their specific application or requirements. U-shaped guards are recommended for covering all 3 sides of desks. Mounting methods vary from temporary and permanent to standing and hanging. Our metal guards are for manufacturing, processing, and industrial sites that require an extra level of protection. These non-transparent stainless steel dividers are secured on a stand and serve as temporary dividers around large machinery or busy areas of the site. Models with UV disinfection fixtures are also available for sanitizing the divider and the air. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.